Hello friends, so what I'm going to show you today that how you can build a game, how you can design or build a game without help of without the knowledge of coding. You don't need to have knowledge of single coding line. I mean literally before inventions of AI, just 3 or 4 years ago also, you need to have good knowledge in Python or C Sharp. Okay, but nowadays you don't need to have the knowledge of these two particular language. Okay, you don't need to have knowledge of this particular two language. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can do uh, or how you can make a game without knowledge of Python or C Sharp, because in Unity most of the 2D and 3D game which used to develop until 2020 needed heavy Python or C sharp knowledge. But in today modern world, you don't need to have Python or C sharp knowledge. I mean, it's good to have C sharp or Python knowledge, but it's not necessary. And before starting the course, I am requesting you to, you know, buy my course, which is available in Udemy in very low price. You will get to learn lots of things. I have discussed full about what you can build with the help of anti-gravity. Okay, so buy the course now. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do, like you can see that Gemini Google is already open in here. What I'm going to type in here is build a Backman like game, generate a prompt. See, want to build Backman like game in Google Antigravity? Can you build Backman style game in Google Antigravity, which is essentially a physics test environment where admin camera program you prompt it to be clearly explain mechanics and physical behavior Windows condition. Okay, so here all the things as mentioned. So what I'm going to do, just copy other thing from here and let's see, copy from here and paste it down in anti-gravity. See what's it generate. Game which I'm going to show you is actually a front end development. Okay, but for back end development, how you can perform the task, I have also shown it to you in my course in Udemy. I have uploaded all these things like how you have to work in login form. Suppose you have to submit some details like your name or password or username or password, how you have to where this data will store. I'm going to show you exactly the same in my pet course. Okay, so I will give you the link. If you wish to buy it, then you can buy it directly from my course. Okay. Okay, my code has already been generated. You can see that video game.html file has already generated. Okay. Okay. So code has generated. You can see that big code, big line code in here. HTML, while HTML, CSS, JavaScript are main three things I guess used for in here. Yeah, very big code. You can understand. So what I'm going to do, game has already saved in video game.html file. So I'm gonna access that file location video game.html. You can see, and I will try to show you how this you can literally build a game without knowledge in coding, or you don't need to have Unity for build up the game. Okay, so anti-gravity Pac-Man. Okay, so how the thing work, I don't know. Okay, none of this actually I think work. Dot Pac-Man or the ghost has appeared, that the query which I have given before putting the photo or uploading the photo. So instantly you can see that anti-gravity make the right thing. So you can see how the game is smoothly, you know, working. You can see the score also, score 80, 90. You can build lots of other thing as well in well, sorry, by using anti-gravity. You can see that the my score is actually progressing. I score is already 600. Sorry, 820. After consuming each of this euro dot, my score has getting increased, and if I hit them, sorry, my Pac-Man has destroyed. So this is how the game has been played. You can you saw it yourself. You can buy my course. Okay, you can buy my course of anti-gravity. I have discussed lots of other things rather than creating a game like app. How you can build an app over there, or the most important part, how you have to work in backend development. Okay, so buy my course. It's available in Udemy. I will provide you the link. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for watching. এখনই করে নিচ্ছি না। Pac-Man